Hi friends, a few tips and techniques that I would want to share with you. First thing, be cool-headed. Do not psych out at this point. You know what you know, okay? Focus on your strengths. Do not think too much about your weaknesses as of now. How do you need to prepare in these last few days before the exam? The first thing, revise the short notes. If you do not have short notes, maybe you can contact our admin and we can give you the short notes as well. So that's the first thing, revise short notes. Point number 2, you will have to ensure that when you're taking the test, you do it in 2 iterations. The first iteration should be only the easy questions and the short questions which you know already, which you have done similar questions that you might have done while you are practicing. So in the exam, you will have to do it in 2 rounds. The first round should be just the easier ones. Round number 2 should be for the more difficult ones. In that way, you will not miss out on any easy question. कोई अगर easy question छूट जाता है पेपर में तो उससे आपका rank gets hit by very hard. But if you are able to attempt all the easier ones, तो 50% of the paper उधर ही complete हो जाता है and you are easily through with a decent percentile. If you are able to solve a few tougher ones, अच्छी बात है. अगर नहीं हुआ तो भी कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है क्योंकि you have covered all the easier ones. And believe me, 50 to 70% of the mains paper consists of the easier ones. So do not miss out on the easier ones. The final point that I would want to mention, when you are taking the exam, do the exam in a way that you are able to allocate time for each subject. अब मेंस का बात करें तो generally maths थोड़ा difficult आता है and because it is calculation based, you must give it the most amount of time. So generally what I suggest is 1 hour 15 minutes for maths, 45 minutes is good enough for chemistry and 1 hour for physics. That's how you should attempt the paper. And do not have any biases. Do not think that the paper is tough, because if it is tough, it will be tough for all. And do not become overconfident in the exam. If you see an easy paper, because if it is easy, it will be easy for all, right? Be level-headed and go and crack JEE mains. All the best.